Hi, welcome to the unboxing video of Seca 554. You have received 4 boxes. Each box has different components of the device. First up, the Seca 201 box contains the measuring tape. The platform box Seca mBCA 554 has a small box on the top. Inside this box, you will find one Ethernet cable, one connecting cable, one display, one Allen key, and a small box with a cable adapter. This box also includes various international plugs. Finally, remove the platform and set it aside. Then we move on to the standing aid box, Seca mBCA 550. Once you open the box, remove the standing aid and put it aside. Now, take out the crossbeam, followed by BIA box and cardboard assembly aid. Take out both of the standing aid poles. Remove the rest of the components, including the screw components bag, connector cable, standing aid connector, and calibration certificate with guidelines. The screw components bag has the following components: 6 M6 by 20 screws, 6 washers, 5mm Allen key, 2 M6 by 12 screws, and 2 M8 by 40 screws. If you have bought the Seca 554 with ultrasonic height measurements, you have also received an ultrasonic height measurements box, Seca 257. The first thing you will find inside the box is the assembly instructions book and packing certificate. This box has the following components: 3 cover profiles, a bottom column segment, a calibration rod, a calibration plate, and a sticker, followed by 2 threaded rods, center and top column segments, a display holder, a profile connector, an ultrasonic measuring head, a connecting cable, and a component bag. The component bag is filled with 5 foam clamps, 1 column end piece cover, 1 M6 nut, 1 M4 by 70 screw, 3 washers, an open-ended spanner, a gray metal plate, a black metal plate, 3 Allen keys, 2 long nuts M6, 4 M6 by 20 screws, and finally, 2 M4 by 8 screws. Thanks for watching our quick unboxing. Each part is essential for setting up your new Seca 554 to help you get precise medical measurements. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.